the solar system. A journey of discovery, wonder, and enlightenment awaits. It begins with the innermost planet and shortly ventures to the outer reaches. Our first destination is the closest planet of the Sun. Do you know which one is it? Exactly. Mercury is our first stop. Named after the Roman messenger god, Mercury races around the Sun faster than any other planet. How long does it take to complete one full orbit around the Sun? Mercury takes 88 Earth days to complete one full orbit. This tiny, rocky world endures the solar system's most significant temperature swings. Daytime heat reaches up to 430 degrees Celsius, enough to melt lead, and nighttime temperatures drop to freezing -180 degrees Celsius. Can you guess why these extreme temperature swings occur? Indeed, it has no atmosphere to retain heat at night. Mercury also has no moons or rings. This planet is only slightly larger than Earth's moon. Imagine you could stand on the surface of Mercury. The Sun would appear more than 3 times as large as it does when viewed from Earth, and the sunlight would be as much as 7 times brighter. We need to resume our journey and travel to our next destination. The only planet named after a female god. Venus. Our sister, named after the ancient Roman goddess of love and beauty. Veiled in mystery and a thick atmosphere. Given it is further from the Sun than Mercury, could its temperature be lower? Surprisingly, it's not. Venus is actually the hottest planet in our solar system. Its atmosphere traps heat and is made up of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide. Spending a day on Venus would be quite a disorienting experience. That is, if your spacesuit could protect you from temperatures in the range of 475 degrees Celsius. The Sun would rise in the west and set in the east, because Venus spins backwards compared to Earth. Do you know what is this backward rotation called? It is called retrograde rotation. Also, while you are on Venus, don't expect noticeable seasons like summer or winter. The planet axis is very slight, tilt is only 3 degrees. What about its moons? Do you know how many moons Venus has? Zero. Venus is one of only 2 planets in our solar system that doesn't have a moon, but it does have a quasi-satellite that has officially been named Zeus. Time to leave Venus behind and resume our journey. You can already take a glimpse of our destination ahead. A precious blue oasis. From the vastness of space, our planet's unique beauty truly shines. Earth's diverse ecosystems and climates showcase the preciousness of life in the universe. From an average distance of 150 million kilometers, Earth is exactly 1 astronomical unit away from the Sun. Do you know how long does it take for light from the Sun to reach Earth? Approximately 8 minutes. Every star we see shining on our night sky represents a glimpse of the past. Light traveling from far, far away, until it reaches our planet. Our pale blue dot. This is the famous photograph taken by the Voyager 1 spacecraft in 1990. That's here. That's home. There is a reason why Earth is also known as the blue marble. What percentage of Earth's surface is covered by water? 71%. One of the key features essential for life as we know it. But there is more. Earth is in the habitable zone, where temperatures are suitable for liquid water to exist. The ozone layer absorbs much of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. Orbit and rotation stability contributes to predictable seasons and climate patterns. And a protective atmosphere. Can you guess which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Earth's atmosphere is 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other ingredients, the perfect balance to breathe and live. It also protects us from incoming meteoroids, most of which break up in our atmosphere. Leaving behind Earth, our voyage ventures towards distant horizons, beckoning with the promise of new discoveries. Onwards to one of the most explored bodies in our solar system. Mars. The red warrior of the ancient gods. Named by the Romans for their god of war because its reddish color was reminiscent of blood. Do you know what gives Mars this red color? It's due to oxidation of iron in the rocks. This dust gets kicked up into the atmosphere and from a distance makes the planet appear mostly red. Interestingly, this dusty planet is the only one where we've sent multiple rovers to roam the alien landscape. What was the name of the first rover to successfully land and operate on Mars? Sojourner was part of the Mars Pathfinder mission, which landed on Mars on July 4, 1997. This mission marked the first successful deployment of a rover on the Martian surface. The red planet's surface is dominated by towering volcanoes and vast canyons. Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system, which stands nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Do you know the name of this volcano? Olympus Mons stands approximately 22 kilometers high. It symbolizes the dynamic and varied geologic history of Mars, offering profound insights into the planet's past and its potential for habitability. Actually, human habitation on Mars, once a distant dream, is inching closer to reality with advancements in space technology. The exploration of our solar systems for rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, has unveiled a tapestry of wonders and mysteries. As our journey propels us forward into the uncharted realms of the enigmatic gas giants, one can't help but wonder, what extraordinary discoveries are waiting to be unveiled?